Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Netvue Vigil 3. This is the latest Vigil version of the camera that they make. This is a sponsored video. Thank you Netvue for sending this out to me. It cost £40 to buy this camera, this outdoor camera, security camera. £40 to buy it. It's on sale at the moment for $28.99. So it's not a bad deal, I guess, for the money. So it comes in black or white. I'm not sure which version I got. I think I have the white one. We'll have a look. Outdoor Wi-Fi security camera. This is a 1080p model, as the Vigil 3 is a 1080p one. So it does come with cloud services, which you do have to pay for. You do get a trial, but you have to pay for it eventually. But the best way to do it is actually just get SD card. You can put SD card in and access it anytime you want over the internet. I recommend a minimum 64 gigabytes. With 64 gigabytes you get about 3 days worth of recordings, which is okay. So yeah, recommend 64 gigabytes at least. Why is this so over lighted? There you go. So you got live video, two-way audio, so you can talk out the speaker of the camera and you can hear audio, obviously. Motion and human detection. It's not the best, but it's okay. IP65 waterproof, so it's made for outdoor, which is good. It uses 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so it doesn't support 5 gigahertz, unfortunately. But it's not that bad, I guess, because that's still a standard of Wi-Fi. Continuous recording, that's normal. Night vision mode, supports SD card, okay. And yeah, supports Alexa as well. There, it's a nice packaging. It's just a blue package, green blue package. It's like a greeny bluey. Let's see what you get inside, guys. Wow. Okay, so you have a quick guide there. Alright, that's your quick startup guide basically. Probably tells you how to drill it in and stuff, maybe, or just to connect it, I think, maybe, probably, yeah, quick guide. Tells you everything on the camera. Oops. The camera might be quite small actually if it's all in there. That's what I realized. There's no way. That's the camera there. Whoa. It's quite small actually. It's not the biggest, which is good actually. Okay, so you can hide it better, I guess. Yeah. To give you mounts, only 3 screws though. Oh, 3 mounts, 3 screws, because there's only 3 screws. 3 mounts, I mean. 3 mounts, 3 screws. Something wrong with my camera today. It's not focusing very well. You got positioning sticker. That's to help you mount it. Okay, and there's the camera itself. Ooh, come on, get out, Jeffrey. Thank you, Jeffrey. Okay, it's a lot smaller than I thought. Look at that, guys. Let me zoom out so I can see the size difference. Look at it. It's not the biggest. It's actually decent size. It's not too big, not too small. So that means it won't be too heavy. Should be able to be. It'll be alright on them 3 mounts. But yeah, there's your Wi-Fi antennas. It's a cool design. I like it. It's white as well, so that's good. The wire is a bit short though, I'm not gonna lie. This connection wire here, but there will be some more connector wires on the other side. Because in this side is a longer side. Oh, it's got sellotape on it, hasn't it? No. How the hell do you open this? Oh, from the side. It's a bit hard doing this with one hand, guys, but I'll try my best. Yeah, there's the wires. Thinking it was a bit too short there. So that's your power cable, I believe. Bloody hell. One will be power, one will be Ethernet, I believe. Let me see. Or is that just the power cable? That's your power cable. Very long wire. That plugs straight into there. Oh, so this model doesn't have Ethernet. Oh, fair enough. So that just connects up like that. Oh, there you go. Just like that. That's not bad. And then let's have a look. There's nothing else in the box, I don't think. No. So you can't connect this by Ethernet. I don't actually might be able to under here. Let's have a look. So there's the speaker anyway. There's your camera. You got 4 LEDs, I believe. No, they're your infrared lights. So I don't know if this model has any LEDs. Maybe it has both built in. Maybe the LEDs are built in with it. Who knows? We'll see. It's either LEDs or infrared or both combined. But we know there's infrared LEDs in there anyway. There is a bit of dirt inside the lens though, which is a bit worrying. Yeah, that's inside the lens. Hopefully that doesn't fall and drop inside there and cause a problem with the image quality. And I believe this is a reset button there, if you can see that. Let's have a look at the bottom. Nothing more there, just a screw hole. This is where your SD card will go. Oh bloody hell. Oh no, reset button there guys. So you got SD card slot there, reset button there. Oh, I like this cover though, it's very thick. It's made for the outdoors, so it doesn't let rain in, I guess. Dust and rain and all that stuff. But yeah, very cool design. So how this is for, it's 1080p 3 megapixel, so it's not going to be the greatest for image quality in book. For normal CCTV, for outdoor one, it's pretty good. If you want something that's going to read number plates and stuff from a bit of a distance, you want like 4K cameras with 8 megapixel still images and stuff. But yeah, that's a lot more expensive than this. This is good for the money. £28 for 1080p 3 megapixel. It's not bad. Outdoor camera as well. So yeah, that'll be pretty damn decent. So I'll set this up and we'll check out the quality one day, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.